Hello, little farmers. Welcome to our happy farm. My name is Sammy the sheep, and I'm so excited to show you around. Are you ready to meet my animal friends? Let's go.
Quack, quack. Hi there. I'm Daisy. I love swimming in the pond and quacking all day long. Can you say quack, quack like me?
Great quacking, everyone. Now let's see who's over by the barn.
Woof, woof. Hi, kids. I'm Dexter. I love chasing balls, guarding the farm, and being everyone's best friend. Let's all bark together. Woof, woof.
That was a great bark. Let's head over to the field and meet a very fast friend.
Nay. Hello, everyone. I'm Holly. I'm strong and fast, and I love galloping through the fields. Can you gallop in place like me?
You're all doing so well. Now let's visit the hen house.
Cluck, cluck. Hi there, I'm Hattie. I lay eggs every day for the farmer and love pecking at the ground. Can you flap your arms like chicken wings? Cluck, cluck.
You're great at flapping. Let's see who's munching on some grass nearby.
Bah! Hello, kids. I'm Gus. I love eating grass and climbing on rocks. Can you say bah like me?
Wonderful. Last but not least, let's visit someone very special.
Moo. Hello, everyone. I'm Clara. I give fresh milk every day, and I love relaxing in the sunny fields. Can you moo like me?
Thank you for visiting our farm today, little farmers. We hope you had fun. Don't forget to come back and see us again. Until then, bye-bye for now.